Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, make sure you hit subscribe for more honest automotive reviews. Check the links in the description for the best current deals, and drop a comment with your experience or questions. I read them all. If you've ever snapped a bolt, stripped threads, or worried whether your lug nuts are actually torqued correctly, you already know how expensive guessing can be. The wrong torque wrench doesn't just ruin parts, it ruins confidence. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 torque wrenches for automotive work, so you can choose the right one the first time and stop wasting money on tools that don't deliver. Coming in at number 5 is the 3.8-inch drive click torque wrench. This wrench is built with a durable chrome vanadium steel construction and typically offers a torque range around 10 to 80 foot-pounds, making it ideal for smaller fasteners and precision work. It features a micrometer-style adjustment sleeve with clearly engraved, high-contrast scale markings for accurate settings. The 3.8-inch drive size makes it perfect for engine components, valve covers, spark plugs, and smaller suspension hardware. It includes a secure locking mechanism to hold your torque setting in place and usually comes with a storage case to protect calibration when not in use. The click-style mechanism gives you an audible and tactile signal once the preset torque is reached, helping prevent over-tightening. In real-world use, this is the kind of torque wrench I recommend for anyone doing detailed engine work or working in tighter spaces where a bulky 1 or 2-inch wrench just won't fit. It feels balanced in the hand, the adjustment is smooth, and the click is noticeable without being harsh. For DIYers who mainly handle maintenance jobs like intake manifold bolts or smaller fasteners, this is a smart and affordable starting point. It may not have the highest torque range for heavy-duty jobs, but for precision automotive work, it delivers excellent value and reliability. At number 4, we have the etoolab 1-2 drive click torque wrench. This model is built for heavier automotive applications and generally offers a torque range around 10 to 150 foot-pounds, giving you the versatility to handle lug nuts, suspension components, and larger bolts. It's constructed from hardened chrome vanadium steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, and it features a dual-range scale calibrated in both foot-pounds and newton-meters. The 1-2-inch drive head is reversible for clockwise and counterclockwise use, and it comes with a protective storage case to maintain calibration. The knurled handle improves grip, and the locking ring at the base ensures your torque setting doesn't drift during use. What stands out with the etoolab wrench is how solid it feels under load. When you're torquing lug nuts after a brake job, that reassuring click gives you confidence you've hit the right spec. It's especially well-suited for home mechanics who rotate tires regularly or tackle suspension repairs. The scale is easy to read and adjustments are straightforward even with gloves on. It may not have the premium branding of higher-end models, but for the price, it punches well above its weight. Sliding into number 3 is the LEXIVON torque wrench. This wrench is known for its durable construction, typically made from hardened, heat-treated chrome vanadium alloy steel with a corrosion-resistant finish. It commonly offers a torque range of 10 to 150 foot-pounds in the 1 to 2-inch drive version, and it's pre-calibrated to an accuracy of plus or minus 4%. The scale is laser-etched and easy to read, and the wrench includes a reinforced ratchet gear head with a quick release button for easy socket changes. It also comes with a solid storage case for safekeeping. In practical use, the LEXIVON feels like a step up in refinement. The ratcheting mechanism is smooth, the click is crisp and consistent, and the quick release head makes socket swaps fast and frustration-free. If you're serious about maintaining your own vehicle or working on multiple cars, this wrench offers a great balance of durability and precision. It feels dependable, and that matters when you're tightening critical components. The only minor downside is that it's slightly heavier than some competitors, but that added heft actually contributes to its sturdy feel. At number 2, we have the EPAuto 1 Mach 2-inch drive click torque wrench. This model typically provides a torque range from 10 to 150 foot-pounds and is constructed from hardened chrome vanadium steel with a satin finish to resist corrosion. It features a dual-range scale in foot-pounds and newton-meters, and it's factory calibrated with an accuracy of plus or minus 4%. The wrench includes a reversible ratchet head, a textured non-slip handle, and a durable blow-molded storage case to keep everything protected. The adjustment mechanism is smooth, and the locking knob at the base secures your selected torque setting. What makes the EPAuto wrench so popular is its incredible value. For the average car owner who wants a reliable tool for brake jobs, wheel installations, or general repairs, this is one of the best bang-for-your-buck options out there. It's easy to use, the click is clearly noticeable, and it feels consistent across its torquey range. If you're building your tool collection without breaking the bank, this wrench checks all the right boxes. The scale markings could be a bit brighter for low-light environments, but overall, it's a dependable and budget-friendly choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the CRAFTSMAN Torque Wrench. CRAFTSMAN has built a reputation for durable, mechanic-grade tools, and this torque wrench reflects that legacy. Typically offering a torque range up to 150 foot-pounds in the 1-2-inch drive version, it features a rugged all-steel construction designed for long-term durability. The scale is easy to read with clear markings, and the micrometer-style adjustment allows for precise torque settings. It delivers a strong, distinct click when you reach your preset torque, and it's backed by the brand's well-known warranty support. The wrench also includes a protective case for safe storage. In real-world automotive work, the CRAFTSMAN wrench feels like a professional tool. The build quality is excellent, the mechanism is smooth, and the click is firm and confidence-inspiring. Whether you're torquing lug nuts, working on suspension components, or handling critical engine bolts, it performs with consistency and reliability. This is the wrench I'd recommend for someone who wants a long-term investment. A tool that will stay accurate and dependable for years. It may cost a bit more than entry-level options, but you're paying for proven durability and brand-backed support. So here's the bottom line. If you're doing lighter, precision engine work, the 3/8-inch drive model is a smart and affordable choice. If you want solid performance on a budget, the etoolab and EPAuto wrenches offer impressive value for everyday automotive jobs. If you're looking for a balanced mix of refinement and durability, the LEXIVON is a strong mid-tier contender. But if you want the most confidence-inspiring long-term tool in this lineup, the CRAFTSMAN takes the top spot. No matter which one you choose, using the right torquey wrench protects your vehicle, your safety, and your investment. Make sure you check the links in the description for the best current deals, subscribe for more honest automotive reviews, and let me know in the comments which torque wrench you're using in your garage.